we are exploring the surface tension. All we need is water, dish soap and plastic purse. First we add the purse to the water. Then we put a little bit of dish soap on a finger and gently touch the water. Why does it work? Dish soap disrupts the surface tension of the water, which makes the plastic purse spread out. Today we are performing a magic milk experiment. All we need is milk, dish soap, food coloring. First we add the food coloring to the milk. Then we put a little bit of dish soap on a cotton swab and gently touch the surface of the milk. You can always repeat it with a new cotton swab. You can also try it with your finger if the cotton swab doesn't work. Why does it work? The dish soap disrupts the surface tension of the milk, which makes food coloring spread out. We're preparing a soda volcano today. What we need for this is a big spoon full of soda, vinegar, dish soap, food color, 2 small bottles, a big circle of aluminium foil, and a paper plate. So first we get the big spoon full of soda. Put it in one bottle. Put it in the middle of the plate. Then we pour the volcano with the aluminium foil. Then in the second bottle we fill in vinegar. Together with 5 pushes dish soap and mix it with a little bit of food color, and then you have to mix all together till you get a red fluid, and then we put the mixture into the soda and can watch the volcano eruption.